Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to take a look at Bitcoin, take a look at the crypto market as a whole, take a look at some altcoins, because today is the first day that the Bitcoin spot ETF is trading. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $46,542. When the market did open this morning, it had quite a wick to the upside, almost breaking 50,000. Now we're back to 46,000. Lots of whiplash behavior continuing to play out, clearing out those shorts, clearing out those longs. The market does not want the leverage to be winning, that's for sure. They want to be absorbing that liquidity. Those exchanges are making some serious money right now. Very interesting to see. Bitcoin dominance coming down a little bit, trading at 51.49%. When you exclude stablecoins, it's more so like 53.49%. So we have come down about a half a percentile to about 1.5% over the past day or so. We're seeing some of these altcoins really move. We're seeing Cardano making big moves, about 13% on the day. Yesterday, we also had another 15% move to the upside. Pretty cool to see some of these blue chip coins make some moves to the upside. I don't know if blue chip coins is the right term, but I'm going to call them that. Mainly larger market cap coins is a better way to put it. But it's nice to see that we're kind of getting back into a cyclical market where we see the money flow into Bitcoin, then the money flows into Ethereum, and then it trickles down. That is a very healthy market cycle within a macro market cycle. We want to see the cyclical market nature happen. We want to see that it's healthy. Basically sets us up for higher highs. So we want to see that continue to play out. But looking over at Bitcoin, I mean, man, these wicks are crazy. And we're looking at the weekly right now. I mean, just look at that. It's incredible. Let's take a look at the daily term time frame here. And you can see, I mean, that wick go all the way up to almost 50K. Came up there, about 49,000. Now the question is, can we stay above 45,000? Can we stay above 45,000 on the daily candles? If the answer is yes, I think that we see some stair-step action here to get to about the 50,000s, the low 50,000s. But that being said, if we can't hold above this 45,000, I am prepared for a local top. I am prepared for the top being in here for the short term, for maybe. Let's zoom out. Let's get a better look here at for when the next Bitcoin halving is here. But I do think that this could be a local, especially on the weekly, guys. This is we need to see some continuation here. We need to see a wick above. We need to see a daily candle close above the $45,000 price level with a weekly candle close, which is in about 3 days and 5 hours. If we don't see that, this wick right here, it's very toppy. For the short term, I think that we could come down to say 40,000, 38,000 in that price range. I think that's very healthy, and trade sideways leading up until the Bitcoin halving. And all in all, the Bitcoin spot ETF news will be a sell the news event. I mean, you can say that after all the craziness and insanity and all the whiplash, but that will be a sell the news event if that occurs. If we don't see this continuation, we have a very short time frame here for either continuation to the upside or the local tops in. We need to trade sideways for a little while, make a next higher low. I mean, guys, it would look so good for Bitcoin if we came to this $40,000 price level. That was just such a good higher low. That would be such a nice higher low. And this rally has extended for a significant amount of time. It's been a year, guys. This entire year has basically overall been a bullish year. It's time for a little bit of a pullback. The question is, will it happen now or will it happen in a month or so? But that being said, this next week here is a very, very important time. I want to keep a very close eye on it. Some altcoins are trading sideways right now, catching up a little bit, but be prepared for a swift move, whether it's to the upside or the downside. And I do want to say that I think that if we do get these candle closes above 45,000, I don't necessarily see us going above 55,000 or testing 60,000 until we get a little bit closer to the halving, which is only a couple months away. I mean, quarter one, we're 11 days into the first quarter, but the halving is in April, guys. The halving's in April, maybe even May. April, May, give or take 10 days on each side. But that's the next trade. Do I think that we're going to get to 60,000 before the halving? We could. But is it probable? I think that we don't really want to see it. I think that we need to see a little bit of a pullback here before we can be having our next leg up. But I will say that the attention on the crypto space right now is pretty high. Looking at different social blade metrics on different search terms for crypto and checking crypto Twitter, seeing the sentiment. There's a lot of attention in the space, especially the mainstream media, how they're talking about crypto. There's a lot of attention right now, which could indicate that we have more upside or that the top is in. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Do you think the local top is in? Do you think that we're going to come down to 40,000 before we trade sideways and make new all-time highs after the halving? Or do you think that we're going to test $60,000 before the halving? I think that would be absolutely insane. But with Bitcoin, there can always be a pump around every single corner. And sometimes it just likes to take everybody by surprise. So guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. Very, very active over there. Also, please check out some awesome referral links we have down below. $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet down below this video. Feel free to check those awesome links down below. That's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.